Yeah, bless up yours. Makai, the pharmacist here at Free Haven Farms. I got these beds cleared out, okay? 4 of them right here. It's a nice area for me to go ahead and plant. Like I said, it's the end of the season, so I'm transitioning. Summer crops are out, putting fall crops in, getting ready to put some stuff in that I hope will overwinter, okay? So right here, before I had this cleared out, I had the kale there, the dino kale, and I had btoy right here. What could I put behind them? Well, in these beds that I had my dino, I'm gonna go ahead and plant these seeds, all right? You know what those are? Those are Swiss Chard. They're not in the Brassica family. It's a different family than the kale, so I'll be good to go ahead and rotate in these Swiss Chard. Now, they usually take about 45 to 60 days to go from seed to harvest. The winters have been so mild that I actually will probably have more than enough time to plant these by seed and harvest them. These actually have a great chance of overwintering, my Swiss Chard.